What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital Analysis, and welcome to this week's video. In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at Immutable Holdings. It's one of those crypto stocks that I've followed for a while, but I wanted to learn a little bit more about. I do know that Kevin Oleary is involved in the deal, so I want to kind of get a better understanding of the company, what they do. We'll see how much information we can dig up and go over. And yeah, I'm excited to be talking about this company because Bitcoin is on the rise, although we didn't get great performance from some of the crypto-related plays recently, unfortunately. So anyways, let's get into the video. Last but not least, if you do support this brand new channel, then kindly give us a like. It means the world to me. It helps my videos so very much, along with dropping me a comment down below, letting me know your thoughts on the video and on the company, as well as subscribing. That's the most important thing. Hit that bell, hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Let's get straight into this. So I wanted to talk quickly first about the stock. So Immutable Holdings, traded on the NEO under ticker symbol HOLD. Current market cap of just $44 million and a 52-week range of $1.11 all the way up to $5.40. So their most recent news, by the looks of it, which was quite a while ago, they ended up raising money. So Immutable Holdings blockchain holding company is pleased to announce that it has entered into an agreement with Stifel GMP as lead agent on behalf of syndicate of agents, blah, 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 blah. $10 million at a price of $2.60. So it also comes with a half warrant, exercise price of $4. And if it trades above 8 for 20 consecutive days, there's an acceleration clause. So there hasn't been much news coming out of the company, though, which is quite strange. Actually, that's not 3 weeks, that's 3 months ago. So let's go to their website, see if we can find out a little bit more information about the company. So the blockchain holding company. We strive to deliver the value of digital assets to every person on planet Earth and achieve our mission by building products that increase awareness and adoption of digital assets. So that's their CEO, Jordan Fried. Don't just own cryptocurrency, own the blockchain. Immutable Holdings is the first ever portfolio of breakout blockchain businesses with over 100 million in assets under management. We're building companies that drive awareness and adoption of digital currencies and blockchain technology in sector poised for exponential growth. So let's see a little bit more about the company. So number one, massive market opportunity, high growth opportunities across crypto, banking, general consumer services, blockchain consolidation, diversification, and high growth opportunities through acquisition. Blockchain is in a period of consolidation and Immutable Holdings is well placed to be the consolidator. Attractive business model, multiple revenue streams through very attractive subsidiary businesses. Trusted and transparent experienced management team led by Jordan Fried, trusted partners including Kevin Oleary. So software is eating the world. 7 decades into the computer revolution, 5 decades since the invention of the microprocessor, 3 decades into the rise of the modern internet. Let's try to get a better understanding of what they do. So the blockchain and digital asset market will continue to grow over time, and there is an exceptional opportunity to build and acquire profitable businesses in the blockchain and digital asset space. Immutable Holdings is uniquely positioned to seize that opportunity. Our holding company builds and buys businesses in the blockchain space. The company intends to capitalize on market opportunities made possible by the ongoing innovation and evolution of the digital asset market through the following business lines: NFT.com, Immutable Asset Management, CBDC.com, HBR Labs, 1800 Bitcoin, and Immutable Advisory. So I want to take a look at the investor presentation because, well, there's not too much. So this is their equivalent to the investor presentation. It's called the investor overview, which we're going to go over real quick. And then we're just going to talk a little bit about the company, the idea, and where I think crypto's headed, and maybe a few other companies within the sector. So own the underlying digital assets. So digital assets are scarce. Immutable Holdings is well positioned to capitalize on digital asset investment opportunities. We have the expertise to actively target high quality assets in the digital asset universe. So number one, I guess, they're saying that they essentially buy digital assets, build profitable products that increase awareness and adoption of digital assets. So entrepreneurship is in our DNA. We're building products that increase access to digital asset markets. We're making it easy for investors to take exposure to this emerging asset class. Digital assets, an emerging asset class. So here we've got certain things: Bitcoin, all digital assets, Amazon, gold market, US money supply, global stock market, all wealth. Digital assets is an emerging asset class. So digital assets are among the world's most valuable asset classes, with continuing opportunities for exponential growth in both cryptocurrency exposure and investment in blockchain businesses. Immutable Holdings is well positioned to become a market leader in the rapidly growing world of digital assets. we're at the forefront of increasing awareness and adoption of digital assets globally. Founded by Jordan Freed and based in Puerto Rico with a diverse team of experienced and talented professionals, Immutable Holdings will encompass Mr. Freed's investments and interests in the digital asset sector. The team has experience across digital asset investing, capital markets, blockchain technology, law, and government, well positioned to capitalize on the digital asset and blockchain ecosystem, building businesses that increase access to digital asset markets, making balance sheet investments in initial coin offerings and competitive valuations, incubating early stage blockchain ventures, managing outside capital for accredited investors. So well positioned to consolidate businesses in the digital asset and blockchain ecosystem, targeting cash flow businesses in the blockchain and digital asset ecosystem. Well, they should take a look at Mobilum, because that'd be great. You know, they're also not very active on their Twitter, and it's pretty hard to find the financials. All right, guys. So we found the most recent financial statements posted on Sadar. So let's see what they've got. In terms of assets, they've got just over 11 million in total assets. In terms of liabilities, they have 3.3 million in liabilities. So more assets than liabilities. That's nice to see. The majority of their assets are held in cash, 9.7 million. I don't know if that's changed since then. This was since September 30th, 2021. So for the 3 months ended September 30th, 2021, they lost 1.3 million. So lost a comprehensive loss for the period of 2.3 million. And then for the 9 months ended September 30th, they lost 2.9 million. So the most recent quarter, there's quite a bit of cash burn. And what was that from? Professional fees, stock-based compensation, and by the looks of it, filing and transfer agent fees. So just skipping to a quick video. This was a while ago, though. Kevin Oleary says Immutable Holdings will be at the cutting edge of the entire NFT industry. So I'm guessing I know Kevin's really bullish on NFTs, so he must have seen something he likes in terms of NFTs, NFT projects, when it comes to Immutable Holdings. So it's hard to find much information on the company. We have seen a really nice bounce in Bitcoin, and I have noticed that the company does track Bitcoin pretty much. They have 100 million in assets under management, which is just assets under management. That's actually not assets in the company. And we're back, guys. Sorry, just had to do a quick interview. But the last thing I wanted to talk about when it comes to Immutable Holdings is this article that I found 3 weeks ago about their $15 million private placement. So Miller Thompson advised Immutable Holdings on the private placement. Immutable Holdings completed the second tranche of its upsized private placement of units. The private placement was complete in 2 tranches on a brokered and non-brokered basis. So what does this money do? So this financing enables Immutable Holdings to execute on our vision of building exciting blockchain products and services like NFT.com. The proceeds will be used to scale our engineering and product teams so we can bring exciting metaverse and NFT tools to the market faster and become a dominant player in this fast-growing sector. The proceeds will also be used to build out our asset management business and launch our 1-800-Bitcoin call center. Cryptocurrencies and NFTs are going to be part of our lives for the rest of our lives, and these tools will continue to have a major global impact on how we shop, interact, store value, and transact with one another. We believe this new financial revolution will rival almost any other technological revolution that has come before it. At Immutable Holdings, we're well positioned to capitalize on this global trend, said Jordan Freed, company's CEO and chairman. So to add to their financial position that we took a quick look at before, so I went to NFT.com just to check it out. It says coming soon. Couldn't click on the Discord. I will say, however, that is a pretty awesome domain that they have. I can't click on too much here, but when it comes to Immutable Holdings, you know, we see it tracking the price of Bitcoin pretty well. Until recently, we've seen cryptocurrencies actually outperform, many of the crypto-related stocks. But by the looks of it, I mean, there's not enough news to back this up or whatever. But Immutable Holdings an interesting company, lots in the works. They've got NFT.com. They're focusing on NFTs. They also have 100 million in assets under management. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, it's an interesting company in a very hot sector, but there's just not enough news right now to go off of. So we'll see what happens. Maybe they'll come out of the woods with some interesting news related to all their projects. I'm sure they will most likely soon. But anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Sorry I didn't have too much data to analyze here, but I still did want to talk about Immutable Holdings just a little bit to try and get a better understanding. I still don't fully understand this, so we're definitely going to have to make a part 2 of this when there's more information. But drop some requests down below, and we'll see you guys in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.